This wig is so pretty. Like, I don't have no words. This hair is just so pretty. The color is perfect. Like, look how the color looks against my skin. Chef's freaking kiss. Like, it just gives that I'm that girl. Period.
From the A, you so lame, and no one here even mentions your name. It must be the way. It must be.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today we are working with Remy Forte hair. It came in a super cute black and white box, and this is their Blonde Bodywave honey blonde human hair wig, 13x4 lace front wig with ombre highlights. And this is just a close-up of the description. 13x4 lace body wave wig, P1B30. That is the name of the color, and this is the unit, y'all, what it looks like out the bag. And they sent me this wig in 24 inches, as you can see here. This is the length of it, the color, the luster. Super pretty. It's literally giving like peanut butter Reese's cup vibes. Like, it's just so pretty, and I just love this color. I just love it. Like, it's giving. This is the hairline. It does not come pre-plucked or pre-bleach, which is not a problem for me because I love bleaching and plucking my own units. So yeah, y'all, let's get into this install. So I bleached the wig and plucked the hairline off camera, and also washed and conditioned it, and this is what it's looking like. It's definitely giving. This was just honestly so fun, which sounds like what, because I've been getting a lot of like pre-plucked and pre-bleached wigs, but I actually like bleaching and plucking my own knots and making my hairline look like how I want my hairline to look. I like my knots to be like blonde, no knots. So yeah, I had fun doing that, but this is the unit now. So let's throw it on and get to installing. I can just tell this is gonna eat. Like, it just already looks so good. It looks so good already, right? Like, it's just giving. I just know it's just gonna give, like, period. This is a lot of lace on here. Like, it's like a veil over my face or something. And I'm gonna do a middle part because we just have kind of like limited lace space with this unit. This being a 13x4, but not a full frontal. We just really have right there where it's the deepest at. So yeah, and I think I might have actually, while I'm talking about plucking my own wig, look at the wait, the color on this color is freaking beautiful. This is actually so pretty, and I've really been wanting to do my own hair, like my real hair, like this blonde color, like blonde highlights like this. I think this color looks so good on like brown skin, on like black girls when they have like the dark honey blonde. I think that looks so good. Honestly any blonde, but I love this dark like honey blonde color, and it actually looks a lot better once I put the wig on my head, because I was looking at it at first and it looked more so like dark brown, but now it looks more blonde now that I have the wig on. It just looks so cute. So let me make sure my middle part is middle part, and I might have actually plucked it a little too much while I'm talking about plucking my own wigs. Usually when I'm plucking my wigs, I kind of like don't pluck the middle as much to prevent from plucking my middle part, but that's okay. It looks fine. It's fixable. But this color, I cannot get over how good this looks. It just already looks so good, and we haven't even done the hair for real. This looks like a cute like blow dried. Like it could be my real hair. If I were to cut this off and like, you know, I could go outside like this and it could just give like, this is my real hair. I could blow out. It just looks so good already anyways. Let's cut off these ear tabs over here and cut some of this lace out of our face, because I can't operate like this. Alright, so now that that's out and separated, it already just looks so good. I could just tell this install is about to be so freaking pretty. So now I'm going to go ahead and I already cleaned my hairline off, but I'm going to clean it one more time with some alcohol and a cotton round just to get off any oil that may be there or any dirt. So now I'm going in with my even lace spray and I'm going to do 2 layers of this. I don't know why my hairline is burning right now between this alcohol and spraying this. Well, obviously I got like a little boo-boo or something because it's stinging. All right, so I did 2 coats. Now let's pull this back down and just stick it on there. And I just like to push it in with my comb or brush, press it down and push it in and get it sticking really nice and good. Like, let's get into it. Didn't spray enough over here. This wig is just so nice, y'all. The color is just so beautiful. I can't get over how good this color looks. Like, I love, y'all know I love blonde. And although this is kind of like brownish almost, like a light brown, it's still like blonde. And I just love blonde highlights. Y'all know I love blonde highlights. And this just is so pretty. And I think I plucked it really good and bleached it really good as well, which is why I'm also just like in love with this right now. I just love a nice install. It just looks so good already. Like, it's not even done and it looks so bomb. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put on this melting band. I literally, this spray just gets me right every time. Like, the wig is stuck, it's stuck. And sorry that this band is kind of like, I need to wash it, but y'all know I be always putting on wigs, so this band is getting used a lot. All right, so now we're going to hot comb the top, get it super duper flat, and then we're gonna get into some curls and some trimming. So let's pull this forward. So I'm gonna start like right here. Take my wax stick. This color is just beautiful. I can't get over it. I actually cannot get over how pretty this color is, y'all. Baby, the wig, flat. She's on flat. Like, I just can't help but laugh because when I told y'all this install was gonna eat, it's gonna eat. Like, I could just tell this wig is just fire. Let's get into that right there. Bomb, 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 bomb. And this little curl right here, I love it, y'all. I just love doing the edges. Like, they just always just, ooh, I love baby hairs. I love doing the edges. Giving, it's just giving. I love having like extra sideburns so that I can have like a little curl like this. You see it? That little curl to me is just so freaking cute, and I just feel like it looks kind of like natural. I don't know, I just feel like it just gives like real hair. Love that. I love doing my baby hairs like that. So freaking cute. Same thing over here on this side now. So freaking bomb. Oh my god, this install is just looking so good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna give this a little bit more of a widow's peak first of all. So I'm gonna take like a little bit of this off. And then same thing right here. Okay, not too much. Take a little bit of this. Let that dry a little bit. I'll take a little bit of my Fantasia holding spray, just to help further melt it and put this band back on while we do these curls. This wig is so pretty. Like, I don't have no words. This hair is just so pretty. The color is perfect. Like, look how the color looks against my skin. Tell me you don't give baddie. Like, it just, this color on black girls, chef's kiss. Like, it just gives that girl. It just gives that I'm that girl. Period. Okay, so boom. Now we gonna comb these out. Let's first take off this band and see what our lace is giving. It should be giving. Oh, ears like sting when I first take it off. It just be so tight. I know y'all know what I'm talking about too, because this band this band be tight. So let's, like, they already look so cute just the way they are, but let's brush them out and really, like, yeah, get into it. This is like so satisfying every time. The way this colors is just blending together is everything. Like, what? It's giving baddie, like, it's giving that girl. I love this, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And I think I found the wig that I'm gonna wear for the next 2 weeks. Even though I always say that and end up switching my wig anyways, once I put on a new wig that I love. I just be loving all my wigs. I can't decide. But this right here, now this is my speed. Oh, it just, yes, 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 and yes again, because what? Be so for real right now. Yeah, eats down, it eats. And I don't know how many inches this is. I think this was 24 inches and I did cut off about an inch or two, just where it was kind of thin at the ends. And this is what it looks like curled up. I think it looks so good and natural. Like, it just gives real hair. And I'm gonna go ahead and, I look so good right now. Like, this looks so good. I definitely want to put this wig back on tomorrow to go to the gym, because this needs to be my wig for the next few days, for the next few weeks. Honestly, like, this is me. This is my speed. This is how I be trying to get my highlights when I be putting highlights in my wigs. Like this. I actually freaking love this color. I love this hair. Like, if y'all can't tell, I'm loving this. It turned out so bomb. Like, and this is 24 inches. Like, y'all did see that I did cut about an inch or two off. So if you choose not to cut yours, it will be a little longer than this. But yeah, this is what mine is looking like, and this is just so freaking cute. Like, I just love some blonde highlights. Like, it just eats. Honey blonde, the honey blonde highlights are eating down. Honey blonde highlights on black girls, chef's freaking kiss. This install looks so good that I literally forgot to put concealer on my part to define my part. Like, I didn't even think about that, but let me go ahead and put a little bit, because honestly it doesn't really need none. Like I told y'all, I bleached this wig really freaking good. I didn't put no makeup on this or nothing, so that looks really natural and really good. But I'm just gonna add a little bit, just a little bit, to help define this part. Fire. And that's it for this install, y'all. It turned out super, super cute. I love it.